Today, we will be roaming around the streets of Athens, admiring some street art. If you are interested in finding out the best places in Athens to admire some street art, make sure to watch this video till the end. So Gazi is an area located about 2.8 kilometers from downtown Athens, and when saying downtown Athens, I mean the Syntagma area. So if you're staying close to downtown, Gazi is about a 25-30 minute walk to get to, and trust me, it's worth it, because it's one of the most popular areas for street art. Now if you're not much of a walker and you prefer to just walk in the Gazi area, then you can just take the blue line on the metro and get off at the Keramikos station in Gazi. And this here is very popular around Athens, Vasanizome, which means I'm being tortured. Now, Gazi is a very interesting area in general. It's sort of like a time travel. It seems as if it combines the past with the future. It's an industrial area with old industrial buildings, and at the same time, you see this type of modern architecture giving it a truly unique look. Now, another popular area for street art in Athens is the Metaxourgeio area. The Metaxourgeio area is right next to Gazi, so I'm just continuing my walk over there to admire some more street art. So Metaxourgeio again is about the same distance from downtown, and it's basically right next to Gazi, so you can walk, in between these areas. You walk Syntagma, Gazi, Metaxourgeio, walk around this area. So enough of me, let's go again into it. I love this tree. Now if you guys are watching until now and you're enjoying this video, then please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you do. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys think of street art, and if you also have any places to recommend here in Athens. The last area I will show you in this video turned out to be my personal favorite of all, and the most interesting thing about it was that it was the least expected, so I recommend you keep watching. Another popular area for street art in Athens is the Monastiraki Psirri area. We get here by continuing our walk from the Metaxourgeio area, which is right next to here. Now, since I was heading back home, I happened to go through the Omonia and Exarcheia area, which by the way are also very popular for street art, especially the Exarcheia area. I wasn't really planning on sticking around because today was a long day which involved a lot of walking, but I thought maybe I could give you a short glimpse of what you can expect. Now stick around till the end, because the next place I will show you, for me, is the best place for street art in Athens. But before I show you, let me give a shout out to the most amazing fantasy art artist that I know of, Fantasy Art Z. Whether it's a book cover or a music album, check out fantasyartz.com to give your cover that awesome sci-fi psychedelic art look. And not just that, Fantasy Art Z, I guarantee, will reach all your expectations for any type of commission related to fantasy art. You can also check out her Instagram page and see more of her amazing work there, and also reach out to her and see if she can meet your requirements. And now, finally, the moment has come for me to show you the best place for street art in Athens. I went there looking for the specific masterpiece by WD, or Wild Drawing, but this place just blew me away. National Technical University in Athens in the Zographou area. Now, as mentioned before, we came here to see one specific piece of art, but this place was just one giant exhibition. We came here on a Sunday, and I suggest you do the same. The entrance is free in case you are wondering, and besides street art, it's a great place for walking also. So tell me what you guys think about this street art so far, out of everything we've seen. I mean, we've seen the Metaxourgeio area, we've seen the Gazi area. Everything is just amazing, but I think this university here in Zographou is the best place for someone to come and see a bunch of masterpieces in street art. The only problem is, the only downside, but which is a general thing, not here only, is that over beautiful masterpieces, someone decides to draw some initials which have no particular existence over a beautiful masterpiece in general. And with that being said, I would like to apologize to every artist if I didn't give them a shout out. I respect each and every one of you individually. The purpose of this video is to show everyone where the best areas I found are to be for street art. This is just a recommendation, and again, if you think you know better places, then please share in the comments for everyone to find out. Thank you so much for letting us experience your beautiful masterpieces from up close. And in case anyone cares about me, this is how much I walked today. Don't worry guys, I know you care about me, I'm just joking. What a place this truly is. Now, as mentioned before, this place is also great for just walking. It feels like one of those movies where the end of the world has come, but don't worry, it's not scary. Now, sorry, just one sec. Check this out. This beautiful masterpiece is called 4 Elements by WD, and it's located in Army Park in Athens. Now, there's not much street art to see there, but this had to be shown somehow. And now, I think the top masterpiece of today's walk is... boom! Venom by WD. Yes, guilty. This is what I was looking for. Thankfully, I found someone on the way who guided me how to get here. The university is huge, by the way. And when I say huge, I mean 1,450 acres. But then again, I'm not complaining, because as I said, this place is amazing for walking as well. So that was it for today's video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments down below. Tell me if you enjoyed this place. I don't know now if I can really link anything in the description to let you guys know where these places are all situated. It's again, I'm just gonna write it, Athens Technical University in the Zographou area. So if you guys, again, I'm gonna say I recommend coming here on a Sunday. Say it once again, because on Sunday it's, as you can see, it was empty. There's no one here. A couple of people just coming around with cameras, you know, taking pictures. People like you, maybe who are fans of street art, etc. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you guys are enjoying the content on this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. It means everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, peace.